It's National Road Safety Week, and I believe our safety is in our hands, literally. How does one avoid a pile-up on an expressway with vehicles plying at high speed? Throw in fog and rain to make matters worse. As a rule of thumb, when driving, there should be one car distance for every 10 kilometers per hour that one is driving at. So if you're driving at 60 kilometers per hour, there should be 6 car lengths between you and the vehicle ahead of you. That gives you adequate reaction time to brake, maneuver or stop. The adaptive cruise control system in the XUV 700 adapts your speed to the speed of vehicles around you, thus keeping a safe distance without you having to do the math. The XUV 700 also comes with best-in-class 7 airbags and an electronic stability program or ESP to ensure stable drives. And while it has intelligent capabilities like ADAS for active safety, the 700 has also been awarded a global NCAP 5-star rating for safety for its structural strength. Remember to be watchful of the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead of you and drive safe.